Alright, for today's video guys, na-share ko sa inyo yung AI music generator and yung AI lyrics generator. So, ang kagandahan na ito guys is pwede nyo siyang gamitin as your background music, no, kapag nagbablog kayo. Ang gagawin nyo lamang guys is, yan, open nyo lang yung Chrome and then type nyo lang yung Top Media AI. And then, sa Google Store naman, i-search nyo lamang yung AI Song Lyrics Generator. Okay? So, naka-download na yan. Open lang natin. So, eto guys, ang kagandahan. Malapit na yung Valentine's. Pwede tayong gumawa ng sarili nating kanta. I-dedicate natin sa ating loved ones. Okay? Mag-isip ka lang kahit anong title about love. And si AI na bahalang mag-generate. So, tara, sampulan natin. Napapakita ko sa inyo. Siguro lalagay ko, my Valentine. Kaya na lang, my Valentine love. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging lyrics output, no? Click lang natin yung go. And then, dito guys, no? Skip nyo lamang to. Close nyo lang kahit wag na kayo mag-sign up. Ganda kaya yung lyrics. And ang ganda pala nito is unique yung lyrics na makukuha nyo dito. Yung output na ibibigay niya. Ayan na. You're the stars that shines above every moment. Okay, mukhang maganda to. Lagyan na natin to ng buhay. Lagyan natin ng genre, ng instrument, no? Ng mood. Okay. Then, copy nyo lamang dito sa baba. And then, let's go back to topmediaai.com. So, dito kapag hindi ka pa nakapag-register, i-click nyo lamang yung login. Create lang kayo ng account dyan. Lagay nyo yung email, then the password. Then, wait nyo yung confirmation code. I-apply nyo dito ulit. Ita-type nyo para makapag-register and makapag-sign in na kayo. Okay, so ganun lang kadali. In my case, no, I have already an account. Okay, then, login. Okay, then, click lang natin itong AI Music Generator. Try it now. Okay, then, paste lang natin yung lyrics. Then, scroll down lang natin. Lagyan na natin siya ng genre. Yan. So, dito, enter style of music. Pwede tayong mamili kung country, guitar, R&B, Japanese, piano, progressive. So, gusto ko medyo sweet. So, piano tayo, piano. Ayan. Alright, so para makita natin yung ibang library, no? Lagay natin siya sa desktop mode. Okay? So, desktop. So, dito may kita nyo. View more. So, sa genre, may kita nyo, merong pop, rock. Kuha tayo ng mas babagay, romantic. Tapos, instrumental, piano. Alright. Punta tayo sa mood. Okay, ito yung mood. And then, view more. Yan. So, pwede tayong mamili pa dito. Sweet. Andito lahat ng klase ng mood. Kung malungkot, masaya. Diba? So, ako pipiliin ko yung sweet. Ayan. And then, lagay lang natin ulit yung title. And then, click lang natin yung create. Zoom lang natin. Yan, create songs. Okay, so excited na ako kung anong kalabasan netong ano na to. Kantang ginawa natin. Hoping na maganda.
Hand in hand we'll face the dawn.
Tingnan natin yung chorus.
In your arms I feel so strong.
Ganda ng lyrics.
Oh my Valentine love. The stars that shine above.
Diba? Ang lupit.
Every moment.
Ewan ko lang kung hindi may love yung jowa nyo dyan.
In your heart,
yung mga nililigawan nyo, I mean.
my bliss through the seasons come what may.
And then, there is another song free. Let's check it out. Ganda, diba?
In the glow of candlelight, whispers dance in the night. Your laughter is like a melody.
Tignan din yung chorus again.
Oh, my Valentine love.
Diba? Sweet.
You're the stars that shine above. Every moment, every kiss. In your heart I find my bliss. Through the seasons, come what may. You're mine forever, every day.
Okay then. Okay, kung okay na kayo dyan guys, no? Pwede nyo na siyang i-download. Pwede nyo na siyang i-save. Ayan. Click nyo lang yung download sa baba. There. Download original song. So, no copyright to. Every lyrics generated is unique. And every song generated is unique. Okay?